Now heading into the CSS information, if we switch windows here, so I have my server running in the background. If we So first I declared that the margin and padding to be 0 for everything, as well as the box sizing to border box to avoid padding and margin issues. Then I declared some variables so that it is easier to declare some values inside the classes. So this is simple CSS. I have styling for the body, as well as several classes to style each div. So for example, here I have a centered class which I can just put into the class names of an element, and that element will be centered. I have the header, and I have a CSS for the scroll bar. So this is a custom scroll bar. Then I have several classes for parts of the HTML. Then the slideshow and keyframes. So these keyframes are for the animations that I can use for animating divs. So for example, here the slide right. So we translate x from -100 and until positive 100. So this will translate from left to right. This is for the slideshow, so that the slide will animate from the left side of the screen to the right side of the screen. Then this is the CSS for the footer. So we have here a media tag. So this will generate CSS if the size of the screen is less than 600. So the footer will now go into display flex instead of display grid. And then the footer left will be gone because that takes up too much screen size. Then going forward, I have several classes. I have another keyframes for slide up and slide down for the about page. Then the gallery, this is the CSS for the galleries. So I can just comment here to separate this part. And I also set custom CSS if the width is less than 600 for mobile devices. Then the commission request form for the form when the user wants to make a commission request. This will be the styling for that. So that is all for my CSS code.